Today we'll be showing you how to choose the right chart for your data. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Select cells A2 through F7. Do not include row 8, the total sales row. Click the Insert tab, and in the Charts group, click Column. In the Column drop-down list, move to each of the options. When you pause on an option, Excel shows a preview of the chart on the worksheet and a description and tips for the selected chart type. Under 3D column, move to the first option. The screen tip shows that the type of chart is a 3D clustered column. In the drop-down list, click 3D clustered column. The column chart illustrates the sales for each of the revenue categories for the 5-year period. The Chart Tools tab appears with the Design tab active. Anywhere in a blank area on the chart, click and drag the chart below the worksheet data and position it at the far left. Click outside the column chart to deselect it. Notice that the Chart Tools tab disappears. Select A2 through F7. Click the Insert tab. And in the Charts group, click Line. In the 2D Line group, click the Line with Marker option. Position the line chart next to the column chart. Notice that the Chart Tools tab is on the ribbon with the Design tab active. Click the column chart and click the Design tab. Click the Move Chart button, and in the New Sheet box, type Column, and click OK. Click the Data Worksheet tab, select the line chart, click the Move Chart button, and in the New Sheet box, type Line, and click OK. Save the workbook.